guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Yes Oh Yes bag for you. This month it came in this pink bag, which I think is new because I don't remember that from last month. This is only my second Yes Oh Yes. I will link my first one in the description box. So this one is like $14.99 plus $3.99 shipping, so it's like $19 once you add in the shipping. I do have a discount code for you which gets you like $1 off or something, but hey, every little bit helps, right? Anyway, let me just show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing in here is this amazing brush set. This is from Crown Brush, and it is a full brush set. I mean, look at that. That's amazing. I can't believe they sent us an entire set. Like, you know, usually you get maybe one, maybe even a 3-pack or something, but an entire roll of brushes. This is awesome. You've got your basics, you know, your fluffy brush, like a powder brush or whatever for blush. The eyeshadow ones, there's not really a fluffy eyeshadow one, but these are all still really nice. The quality of all of the brushes, these bristles are so soft. So soft. They're not too flimsy feeling, and I know Crown brushes are definitely on the inexpensive side, but it doesn't feel like a janky brush, you know what I'm saying? It feels really nice. I did use a couple of them today, not all of them, but I've, you know, felt up all of them. Anyway, this one you can see is a little bit dirty because I used this one to apply the next product that I have in here. This is from Terra, and this is Mineral Bronzer in the color Sensual. It's so funny because if you saw my Ipsy that I just posted, I have a similar product. It's not totally similar, it's a slightly different color, but it is a loose pigment essentially, and I was saying that you can use this type of thing for all sorts of stuff. You can use a fluffy brush and put it on your cheeks, which is what I've done today. I don't have any other highlighter or blush or bronzer or anything. I just used this. I went kind of minimal today. But I think that it looks really pretty. And you could use this as an eyeshadow, you could use it as a nail polish. What you do to do that is you basically just rub it on your nail and then put a clear coat on top of it, and it looks really cool. I'm gonna have to actually do that for you guys. In my Ipsy video, I talked about mixing it with lotion and putting it all over your body, especially with bronzy colors like this. That's a really awesome little trick to do. So this can be useful for all sorts of things, but honestly, I really love it on my cheeks today. It is quite shimmery, but I still think it looks nice and pretty. So anyway, that is a fun product. And then you either got the mascara or the primer from Manna Kadar. This is Flutter mascara. This actually says step 3. I have no idea what the other steps are because there's one that's obviously a primer, and then I don't know what this one is. That's interesting. Anyway, check out the wand on this. Isn't that like, I have never seen a wand quite like this. Hourglass, yes. You know, a little ball on the end, sure, but this was a little bit awkward to put on, honestly, because like in the middle, there's not bristles. There's like little nubbins maybe, but not real bristles. I do have it on my eyes today. So I think it's fine. I don't know, the application was a little funny. I didn't like poke myself in the eye or get it all over the place, which I often do with strangely shaped brushes. The formula itself was fine for the first 2 coats, and then it started getting really clumpy, and you can use that kind of ball on the end to help separate the lashes a little bit more. It does feel a bit stiff, but not too stiff, honestly. So I don't think I'll have much flaking. This is the first time I've put it on, and so far I think it's fine. I am curious to know how it would be with the primer. Anyway, I do like Manna Kadar products, and I am curious to see, maybe I can, you know, play with it and see what I can get out of it. And then the last thing in here is from Girlactik, and this is just an eyeliner in the color gray, and it has that flat edge, which I've seen on lip liners, but I don't think I've ever actually seen this on an eyeliner, which is interesting. But I actually kind of like it because you do get that angle, and that can help, you know, keep it sharp so that it doesn't get dull and rounded. I put it in my waterline today and it went on okay. It's a little sticky, not super creamy. You can see I swatched it on my hand as well. It's a little sticky. It goes on nice and creamy. It's just a slightly stiffer formula than maybe like some gel pencils that I've used. But I do really like the color, and it seems to be a good formula. I remember, gosh, it was like 20 years ago when I lived in New York, I used to wear a gray eyeliner every day. That was just what I wore. I would put gray eyeliner on and go out the door. I think that was the only thing I put on my face. How funny is that? This like just totally reminded me of that. Anyway, some fun products in this month's Yes Oh Yes. I'm happy with everything. Okay, anyway, super fun. So I will leave all of the information in the description box. Make sure you check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!